Hello and good morning, class. We are going to work on the U.S. traditional division today. Now, this is going to be a happy day for most of your parents because this is the way that they probably still do division. And this is the way that I grew up doing division as well. So, this algorithm will look different from what you are used to. Okay, so if we start with our setup looks pretty similar for this. If we have 210 and 3, we aren't going to draw a line to the right. Instead, we look to this first digit of 2, and we think, is it possible for 3 to go into the number 2? It is not. You can either put an X or a 0 above that 2 digit. The second thing you do is you look at 3 going into 21, and you think, is that possible? Well, yes it is. How many times? Oh, 7 times. And you put that 7 above that 1. Now you're very careful to make sure that your digits are lining up. Organization is important for this strategy. The next step is multiply 3 times 7. Well, we get 21. Then we subtract 21 minus 21, and we have 0. We go back to our dividend, and we have another 0. We are going to drop that digit down. So now we have 2 zeros. Now we think 3 going into 0, that happens 0 times. Then we multiply. 3 times 0, well, that's 0. And then we subtract. 0 minus 0, we have 0. Now, we have no digits left to drop. Our answer is 70. So again, this method is different than what you're used to. We don't have anything on the right side, and our work stays below our dividend. Okay, we're going to practice again. Now, we're going to use a number that has more than likely a remainder with it. So we put our dividend in the same setup as we did previously. In this instance, I'm going to use 492, and my divisor will be 20. Now, I look to my first digit in my dividend, which is a 4, and I think, can 20 go into 4? That's not possible. So I put an X or a 0. Then I look to the next 2 digits, 49. I think of those together. Can 20 go into 49? Yes, yes it can. It can go in 2 times. 20 times 2, and I get 40. Then I subtract. Now notice how my digits are nicely lined up. And I have a 9. My next step is dropping that 2. And now I have 20 going into 92. And I have to think to myself, using my multiplication facts, how many times can 20 go into 92? Well, I can think 20, 40, 60, 80. Oh, then it goes to 100. So it is 4 times. And you might need to do multiplication to the side to check that. 20 times 4 is 80. Then I subtract. And I have the number 12. So notice that 12 is the remainder. So I double check that my remainder is less than my divisor. 12 is the remainder, and my answer would be 24. And that is the US algorithm for division.